In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the header and footer on specific pages in Shopify using a simple technique with conditional statements in your theme's theme.liquid file. This approach will allow you to tailor the appearance of your store on certain pages, giving you more control over your site's look and feel. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by locating the theme.liquid file. To do this, navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard and head over to Online Store. From there, select Themes and then click on Actions. Choose Edit Code, and you'll see a list of files. Open the theme.liquid file. Or alternatively, you might find it under layout/theme.liquid, depending on your theme's structure. Once you've opened the file, your next step is to identify where the header and footer sections are included. Typically, this inclusion is done with code lines like %section header, %t, and %section footer %. These lines are crucial since they dictate where and how the header and footer appear across your site. Now comes the most important part, implementing the conditional logic. You'll want to wrap these header and footer sections with % if, saying, and % unless statements to control when they should appear. You'll need to determine the appropriate condition based on the specific page you wish to exclude these elements from. This can be done in several ways. For instance, if you're looking to hide the header and footer on a specific product page, you might use a statement like %sent unless template, kudzos, product your template, %IAS. To find the correct template name, add /template /sans to your theme and check the output on the desired page. Alternatively, if you want to hide these elements on a page with a specific title, the statement would look like %sensed unless page.title, x esos, your page title, %ta. For pages identified by their URL handles, use %, unless request. Page type xe, page your handle, %t. Let's look at a practical example to illustrate this. Suppose you'd like to hide the header and footer on your contact page. You can implement it as follows: /% unless template equals page contact, % section header, % and unless %. Insert content of your page here. Then unless template is page.contact % section footer % and unless %. After implementing the conditional logic, it's important to save your changes to the theme. Liquid file. Remember, before making any changes to the code, it's a good idea to duplicate your theme as a backup. This precaution will safeguard your original settings and prevent potential issues. Once you've saved your changes, carefully test the targeted pages to ensure everything is working as expected. This same logic can be applied to other elements you wish to hide selectively. If you prefer, consider using CSS for hiding elements based on CSS classes or IDs instead. This approach can offer even more refined control over your site's design. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to customize the appearance of your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!